If you are planning to quit forex trading, then you need to watch this video. There are so many people out there that are planning to quit trading because of the difficulty attached to it. This video is meant for you. After watching this video, you have a rethink and know that nothing good comes easily. Forex trading is a financial market where traders trade the exchange rate of currency pairs. They predict the directional movement of a pair, and when they get it correctly, they make an income or profit. But if their prediction is wrong, they lose money. So many traders out there have struggled for many years but unable to become successful. They keep on failing, they keep on blowing accounts, they keep on losing. Because they are losing doesn't mean that they are failure, because losing is part of the business. So if you are planning to quit, you have to rethink, you have to change the mindset, because everybody is losing. So what makes us profitable is our resilience, our persistence, our determination, our hard work. If you quit today, everything you have worked hard for, everything you have labored for, all the pains you have gone through will be in vain. So why quit? Why quit now when you know that there is a brighter future for you? If you are struggling as a trader, not only forex, but in other markets like stock, indices, future, you have to understand that it takes time for one to become successful in life. You must have practiced all the strategy, but yet you are not getting it right. You have to keep on practicing. One day you will get it right. You don't have to be great to start. You need to start to become great. So what is that thing that is holding you back from becoming successful? What is that thing that is depriving you from achieving your goal, your dream, your ambitions? You need to look into your life right now and ask yourself questions. Am I doing the right thing that I'm supposed to do? Some people believe that the road to success is free like an express. No. The road to success is filled with potholes, bumps. You are going to encounter so many obstacles, failure, defeat, pain, heartbreak, depression, anxiety before you can cross the next border. Maybe you are currently in that situation right now. You are going through thin and thick. You feel that this is the end of the road for you. You feel that this business is not working. You have the urge to give up. You have tried everything. You have done your best. You have done your homework. And yet, nothing is happening. You are not profitable. But when you go on social media, you see so many profitable traders driving the latest cars, buying houses, spending time with their family on vacations, traveling all over the world, and you keep asking yourself, when am I going to be like this? What I have with you in this video is that your time is coming. Your new day of breakthrough is just very close. So what you have to do is to be persistent. You have to be resilient. Never give up. No matter what, keep pushing, keep working, keep pressing forward, waiting for your next victory. The most successful people in life are not always the hardest workers. They are people that have determination. They have a never say die attitude. Because if you work hard and you quit, then what is the essence of working when you know that at some point in time you will quit? So success is not measured by hard work. Success is measured by determination and persistence. Perseverance is very important in success, because if we put everything into hard work, then that doesn't define success, because sometimes you might be tempted to give up. You might feel that you have been working so hard for years and yet nothing is happening. But do you know that you have worked so much hard on a particular thing and it's not giving you what you want? Do you know that what you need is just patience? Patience is expensive. If you understand the importance of patience, you will know that you are not supposed to give up, even when you feel like giving up. Because if you quit today, tomorrow you are going to go through pain of regret. You will regret ever quitting, because each time you fail, you are drawing closer to your success. When you fail and you fail and you fail, you are drawing closer to your success. It's just a matter of time for you to become successful. So what I'm going to leave with you guys in this video is to be persistent. Never give up. Even if you're having the urge of giving up, of quitting forex trading, this is not the end. Your predicament right now is not going to last for long. It's just temporal. And it's just a matter of time. Your grace will shine. You begin to receive the reward of your hard work. You begin to reap the fruit of your hard labor. But if you quit today, you are guaranteed never to reach your destination. Every successful people understand the importance of patience. Every successful people understand the importance of persistence. You have to be patient. If you have done the homework, you have to wait to see what God has in stock for you. Some people feel because they have lost so much money, then they have to quit because the business is not for them. That is a wrong mindset. You have to believe in yourself and know fully well that the future is bright. If I begin to tell you what I went through in life, you will not understand. I believe that determination and persistence is all I need to succeed in life. And that is why each time I fail, I see that as a lesson. I learn from it and try again. I don't just give up because I failed. No. If I fail, I see my failure as a lesson to me. I learn from it and I keep pushing. Believing that one day I will hammer. Not just small, but very big. There is so much abundance in trading. There is a lot of opportunity in trading. The forex market is the highest business that can give you financial independence once you master it. All you need is knowledge and a trading psychology. So do not see yourself right now as this is how it's going to be. My life has come to an end. I'm not going to go any far. I'm going to remain like this. Don't see yourself that way. You might be struggling right now, trying as much as possible to become profitable, but have it at the back of your mind that your time is just around the corner. As long as you are persevering, as long as you are pressing forward, believing in yourself, working hard, committing to your craft, dedicating your mind, your energy to learning, practicing everything you have learned. Be humble. I believe that one day you are going to become a success story. So if you are trying to quit forex trading today, you should think very well before you do that. In my country, Nigeria, there is so much poverty. Right now, the country is going through pandemic, not health-wise, but hunger-wise. If you go to the media, you see that there is a lot of protests going on in Nigeria right now because of poverty, unemployment, lack of basic amenities, lack of food, high cost of food, and so on and so forth. So if you are in Nigeria or you are living in Nigeria, you need to understand that forex trading is a gift that you need to treasure. Because if you master forex trading, you are going to reap financial freedom. Some people do not understand the abundance that comes with forex trading. It's just because you do not understand how to trade. That is why. And you do not understand the psychology of a forex trader. That is why I keep recommending you guys, go and read psychology book relating to forex trading, like Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, the Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas, and so other forex trading books that talks on psychology. Because what is affecting most people is 90% psychology. Some people are controlled by their emotions and feelings, the feelings of losing money. They have that much fear because their whole life is attached to money. They have greed. They want to make it all. They want to have everything all at once. And that is why you see them risking so much just because they want to become overnight millionaires. These are the common mistakes that new big traders make when they are starting. Everyone has made this same mistake, including me. And that is why I say failure in trading is part of the business. No matter how many times you have failed, no matter how much you have lost. If I tell you that I've lost over $90,000 since I started trading the forex market, most of you will think it's a joke. I have lost more than that. Because if I start estimating how much I have lost when I first started trading, it is more than $90,000. And in Nigeria current exchange rate, $90,000 is equivalent to 130 or 140 million naira. So imagine how much I have lost. But I see that as a learning process because I know that I made a mistake. I lost so much. But if I had given up those periods that I was losing, I wouldn't have been who I am today. If I have given up, I wouldn't have been who I am today. So now, if you are thinking of giving up right now, think of all the money you have lost. How are you going to recuperate it? How are you going to gain it back? You've lost so much. So why not give it your best? If the strategy you are working with is not profitable, it's not working. Why not adjust it so that it will fit in? Because if you truly want to become successful in this business, you need to learn every time. Education is the key to success in this business. I don't know of other businesses, but in forex trading, you need to keep learning. Each and every day, you need to keep learning new things, practicing and perfecting your crafts. Because if you develop the talent, the skills in forex trading, you will become so profitable that you will ask yourself, what is happening? You will be able to afford anything. You will not be like someone who cannot even afford 1 square meal a day. That is what we call abject poverty. Because here in Nigeria, there are many people that can't even afford 1 square meal a day. Because of what? The economy is bad. There is no good government in Nigeria. The people are suffering and the youth are crying. Right now in Nigeria, there is no job. In fact, the last time I saw vacancy in Nigeria was in 2015. That is almost 10 years ago. That is 9 years ago. That was the last time I saw vacancy in Nigeria. Well, since then to date, I have never seen any vacancy. And yet, they are producing graduates every year. There are new graduates coming out from the system, the academic system. And yet, there is no job. So, as you are producing more graduate, where is the job that this graduate can fit in? Because you train them to become employees. That is what you train them in the institution, universities, colleges. You train them to become employees. But where is the employment for them? You never train them to become entrepreneurs. You train them to become employees, but now where is the employee? Where is the job for them to fit in as employees? So there is no job out there. And that is why if you have the mind, the passion to learn forex trading, give it your best. Take out time to master forex trading. And like I said in my video, this is not the right time for me to start showcasing lifestyle and so on and so forth. This is not the right time. It's a personal issue. Everyone cannot do the same thing, right? I cannot come here and just be showing lifestyle without, teaching you guys what you need to learn. That is why if you go to the about page of this channel, you see that what I wrote there is financial education, and that is what I will focus in this channel. Giving you the best financial education in trading and other business aspects, because you cannot just put all eggs in one basket. Even though I am a full-time day trader, I still have other businesses that I'm involved in. For instance, I'm also a YouTuber. I create content to educate people, to enlighten people. So from my YouTube channel, I can generate income that I will also use to add up to my businesses. So I'm not just focusing on only one business. I have to diversify my portfolio so that I will have different stream of income. If I earn from here, I earn from here, and I'll combine everything together, and you give me a decent money that I need. So don't expect to only be a forex trader, because I want to be sincere to you, all the forex traders all over the world, they are not only focusing in just forex trading, they have other businesses. So as you are learning forex trading, you need to also think of other businesses, because forex trading is just an investment. You can't rely 100% on it. It's an investment. So as you are trading, you need other businesses. That is the mistake that some newbie traders make. They will use their whole money and fund it into forex trading, And when they eventually make a single mistake, they will blow up everything. They will go back to square one and they will start life afresh. If I have $100,000 in my bank account, I can never, ever invest all that $100,000 into trading. It is absolutely impossible. I can never do that because I might be triggered to make a mistake, and if I eventually make a mistake, I will end up wiping that account. And you know what? When you make a mistake in trading, it comes like a cloud covering your eyes. It's when you have lost that money that your eye will open and you say, wow, what kind of mistake is this? What kind of silly mistake is this? So prevention, they say, is better than cure. If I have $100,000 in my bank account, I can only take 1%, which is what? $1,000, and invest in forex trading. I will leave the remaining $99,000 in my bank account and only use $1,000 to trade the forex market. What I will now do is I will perfect my trading strategy, perfect myself, craft my skill, build my trading psychology, develop a decent trading strategy, and trade profitably with that $1,000. And with a matter of time, I will be able to grow that $1,000 to maybe $10,000, and that is how I will be able to grow that account to $100,000. So in that process, I was able to use $1,000 to make what? $100,000 without risking my whole money. And with this strategy, I can never go broke. Even if I eventually lose that $1,000 out of mistake, I still have $99,000 in my bank account, which I can use to feed myself and my family. So every mistake I make is a learning process. When I make, I learn. When I make mistake, I learn. When I make mistake, I learn. And that is how it should be. I must be sincere to you, this channel you are watching is the most underrated channel on YouTube, because when I look at the views that I get from this channel, I smile. I know that not everyone understands the value of what this channel is giving out. But I am not giving out knowledge for monetary gain. I'm giving out knowledge to help people, to let people know that they need information to excel in their businesses, in their career. And that is why I still refer to this channel as the most underrated channel, because of the kind of views it gets. So if you are planning to quit forex trading right now, you have to rethink. You have to rethink and know that you are not doing yourself anything good. Do not quit. Just keep on keeping on. Keep going. Persevere. Focus. Build a craft. Build a strategy. Backtest it. And also build a trading psychology. Have a good mindset of a trader. And watch how you are going to excel in this business. If you are able to develop a good trading psychology, a good mindset, and you have a decent capital, there is nothing that will hold you back from becoming successful in this business. So take whatever you are doing seriously and do not neglect anything, especially your shortcoming. Use the pain you are going through right now as a fuel that will drive you to success. The pain, the anger that you are going through now should be a positive emotion, not a negative emotion. It should be a fuel that will push you to success. So do not give up. Do not give up. Keep on keeping on. Keep pressing forward. And I promise you, one day you will become a success story. I'll see you again in my next update.